Dude, I think it would sound like this. Hey guys, welcome to the Micro X Drone page. Today we're starting a new series on how to fly, how to take care of your equipment, trick series, and even a little bit of drone racing. So stay tuned and see what comes up next. You know, one of the things I like most about the drone community is everybody's so helpful. Everybody's always giving back. And that's kind of one of the things we want to try and do here. Is we want to give back to those newbie pilots who are looking to learn how to fly and maybe are a little bit lost in the startup process. Part of that is setting up your quad the right way. When you race a quad or use a micro quad like this, a lot of times they travel over 40, 50, sometimes 60 miles an hour. And it can be dangerous if you hit somebody. So we want to help you set this up the right way so that you don't get hurt or anybody else around you gets hurt. Alright guys, don't forget to crash into that like button. And check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We're always posting cool and new things on there. So stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Then I was like, and then he was like, and then he was like, no way. He's like, no. Sad day at the field.